How do you prepare your golf clubs?
Hello, junior golfers. When your parents signed up for your golf lesson for the first time, they should think about your golf clubs. If you don't have any experience, I recommend not buying one yet because junior golf schools have some demo clubs or used club you can borrow. I have US Kids Golf demo set. It has 9 different size of clubs, driver, and 7 irons. So juniors who wants to play golf for the first time, they can come and experience their size of club. If they do not have one, or you still feel like you need to buy one, here is some guideline for you. The maximum number of golf clubs in a golf bag is 14 by the rule. But juniors don't have to have 14 clubs in their bag. Some friends have 5 club set, driver, hybrid, 7 iron, pitching wedge, and putter. Or 7 club set, driver, hybrid, 6 iron, 8 iron, pitching wedge, sand wedge, and putter. Or 11 club set, driver, 3 wood, 4 hybrid, 5 to 9 irons, pitching wedge, sand wedge, and putter. Or 14 club set, driver, 3 wood, 3 hybrid, 4 to 9 irons, pitching wedge, gap wedge, sand wedge, lob wedge, and putter. But these are just examples. You can get your set of clubs whatever you want. You can take a 4 iron out and 5 hybrid in, or you can take 3 hybrid out and 5 wood in, or you don't have to have lob wedge in your bag. Then you have one more room to 14 clubs in the bag. You can build your set of club depending on course condition, long, short, dry, or soft, or your style of play, long hitter or short gamer. Junior's height is the most critical factor. If clubs are too short, juniors have to bend over too much. Or if clubs are too long and heavy, they cannot make a proper golf swing. So the length and weight of the club is the main issue with the junior golf club. Let's measure Yuna's height, about 51 inches. US Kids Golf recommends orange color driver and 7 iron. The driver reaches about her chest, and 7 iron reaches about her waist high. So if you don't know your length of clubs, you can keep this in mind. The driver is your chest high, and 7 iron is your waist high. Easy, right? Once juniors are getting older, taller, and stronger, then we can consider their strength, swing speed, and skills when they choose set of clubs. Then one junior can ask, "Hey, Coach Brandon, how can I know other club length, like a 6 iron or 8 iron?" Excellent question. The number on top of the golf club is getting bigger. The club length is getting shorter. For example, 8 iron is about half inch shorter than 7 iron. And 9 iron is half inch shorter than 8 iron. And 6 iron is half inch longer than 7 iron. And 5 iron is half inch longer than 6 iron. Like that. Your clubs need to be cleaned after each shot on the course or each practice session. Players should have a towel. One side is wet and the other side is dry. I have a cleaning tool that looks like a toothbrush. This tool is good for taking dirt out of the gloves. On the course, after each shot, quick brush, cleaning up with wet towel, and finish with dry side. After 18-hole round of play, you could clean up all your clubs one more time. Once in a while, you can clean up the grip with soapy water. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions or comments, please email or text me with your name. Don't forget to watch next video about when do you use each club. Play golf and have fun today.